Welcome to Unlocking SuiteCommerce, a series of tutorials, how-tos, and guides guaranteed to make SuiteCommerce easy.
Hi, I'm Marcelo, Project Manager at Tavano team, and today I'll show you everything you need to know about the checkout process in SuiteCommerce. The checkout is crucial in any online shopping experience. This process needs to be fast, intuitive, and user-friendly. And luckily, you can personalize the checkout process in many ways to fit the needs of your clients and your business. In SuiteCommerce, you can configure 3 types of checkouts: standard, billing first, and one page. The standard checkout in SuiteCommerce works in 3 steps: shipping address, payment, and review. Step 1 requests the shopper for their shipping address and their desired delivery method. Step number 2 requests the type of payment method to be used, for example, credit card, PayPal, or invoice, and a billing address. And step number 3 is a simple summary of everything that is going to be purchased together with every of your purchase options and information. After the place order button is selected, the purchase is completed, and the shopper is taken to a confirmation page that gives them the sales order number. Billing first checkout. This type of checkout works exactly as the standard checkout process, but just as the name implies, it adds billing as a first step, leaving checkout with a total of 4 steps: billing, shipping address, payment, and review. The one-page checkout process means that steps 1 to 3 are presented in a single page. After that, clients are directed to the order review page, where they can check if the information is correct. What are the benefits for the merchant? Having a one-page checkout offers a simplified layout that encourages an easy and quick checkout. It's been proven to reduce cart abandonment. And of course, less cart abandonment means higher conversion rates. You can learn more about this on our blog post about 5 easy ways to reduce cart abandonment. To configure the checkout method that suits the needs of your SuiteCommerce website, go to Commerce, Website, Configuration, choose your website, Checkout, Checkout steps. Guest checkout allows the users to purchase without logging into or creating a store account. One of the best benefits for consumers is that it takes less time. Because they aren't required to create a store account, this omission reduces friction and helps users convert faster. So, the shopper chooses their items, proceeds to checkout, and chooses checkout as a guest. They'll only need to add an email address to purchase. To configure the guest checkout, go to Commerce, Website, Website List, choose Website, Shopping, go to the registration page section and choose Optional as your type of customer registration. Most sites will be shipping physical goods, so the shipping address will be required. If that's not the case, for example while selling downloadables or services, you can make the shipping information optional. To configure this, go to Commerce, Website, Website List, choose your website, Shopping tab, Shipping page section uncheck Shipping information required field. Shipping items. Shipping item records includes rates and other shipping rules for each of your individual shipping methods. The shipping items will determine shipping rates, handling rates, weight limitations, price limitations, and so on. To configure your shipping items, go to Lists, Accounting, Shipping items. Set the default delivery method in checkout. In the Shipping and Handling Rules subtab, you can determine the applicable rules, limitations, and exceptions for each shipping item. For example, for orders within the US, you can make shipping company A the only available option. If you have a preference for a particular shipping method, you can configure a default delivery method if you go to Commerce, Website, Website List, choose your website, Shopping tab, Shipping page section, default website shipping method, and choose the preferred one: Invoice Payments. This kind of payment is mostly used in B2B for customers who already have an account with you. Only customers with terms can place orders without using their credit cards, and an invoice will be created after the order comes into NetSuite. Setting up invoice payments can be lengthy, but you can do it yourself. To learn how to do it, follow the link in the description to the blog post where I explain all of the steps in detail. If you want customers to accept terms and conditions before confirming their order, you can set it up if you go to Commerce, Website, Website List, choose your website, Shopping tab, Review and Submit page section, Require terms and conditions checkbox, and below you can write a personal terms and conditions message. And you're done! Now you're ready to make the most of your checkout feature in your SuiteCommerce website yourself. Give it a try, subscribe to our channel for more SuiteCommerce tutorials, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time!